So in this video I will show the correct way to export an SVG file from Adobe Illustrator so it keeps exactly the same dimension when I import this file into FreeCAD. Very often Adobe Illustrator SVG file during importing the size is wrong. So create a new file in Adobe Illustrator. First things what I should do is set up correct document units. So I have to switch to millimeters, the same units I have in FreeCAD. Let's create a simple rectangle, 50 millimeter width, 100 millimeter height. Save as, test SVG, and use default Illustrator settings. Let's go to FreeCAD, File, Import, Test 1, SVG as geometry, yes. Okay, let's see what's the size. Remember that it was 100 millimeters. Now let's measure this side. 75 millimeters. It's less of 25%. We can scale it, but it's a lot of work. Let's make it correctly in Adobe Illustrator. So I close this file, come back to Illustrator. So we have 100 millimeter height here. How correctly to export this? So I already mentioned it should be units millimeters, then go save as, SVG, and now we need to go in more options and turn off responsive. We have removed this tick here and save. Okay, now let's try again the same file but with new option. Test 1, SVG as geometry. It's imported. Now let's measure the size. $100 millimeters. So we have correct size here. This is the way how it should go. Again, to repeat. Document setup, millimeter units. And second point, important. When you save it or export, you have to tick off this responsive option. In this case, all dimensions will be the same as we have in Illustrator. So in FreeCAD will work fine. Thank you.